Yo, welcome to another video. And 3 दिन पहले I asked you guys about your deepest darkest secrets on my Instagram. You can follow me. इधर इधर किधर तो दे रहा हूँ मैं. And this is what you guys submitted me. And मैंने इनमें से एक दो read करी है. और let's start the video. Okay, so the first one goes like मैंने मेरे वेजिटेरियन दोस्त को वेज सोया बोल के एक बार मटन हल्ली आई थिंक ही मीन्स हलीम खिला दी थी, उसको आज तक नहीं पता चला. Yeah, this is kind of evil. Genuinely, if he finds out, genuinely bro, start running. क्योंकि he might be vegetarian, but भाई वो नॉन वेजिटेरियन बन जाएगा तेरा मांस खा के. ओके मेरे दिमाग में बहुत एक अच्छा जोक था, बट फिर मैंने उसके बाद देखा कि वो जोक मारने के बाद मैं कितने जल्दी जेल में जाऊंगा. एंड हाँ, मुझे 2-3 महीने का भी टाइम नहीं दिखा, तो आई सेड कि छोड़ो. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई हैव किस्ड माय कजिन 27. तुम्हें कजिन ही क्यों मिलते हैं? द फक. एंड नाउ शी इज मैरिड एंड वेन एवर आई गो टू हर होम for some function there is awkward dead silence. I mean, कजिन ही क्यों मिलते हैं तुम्हें? और बहन तुम्हें क्या कजिन छोड़ के और कोई नहीं मिलता क्या? कजिन भी नहीं, लाइक पूरी फैमिली ट्री छोड़ के और कोई नहीं मिलता क्या तुम्हें? कोई नहीं मिलता क्या? इतने बुरे दिन कहाँ से आ गए? एंड व्हाट यू मीन बाय 27 times ब्रो? लाइक you kept count भाई. दैट्स क्रीपी. तूने काउंट क्यों कर रखा है? एंड पहले बात तूने किया ही क्यों है? और उसने भी क्यों ही किया है? You guys just collectively turned family functions into psychological war or some shit bro. क्योंकि imagine bro, like if I imagine it, क्या ही dead silence होगा bro. Like I think this is why boundary exists. Oh my. Let's move to next one. So next one is, once I started fake rumor about a girl in my class that she steal money from bags in lunch break. Okay. And she got suspended for a month after the rumor got to principal. Bro, just oh my god. This is sad. Oh hell no. Like इतना क्या खुन्नस था भाई तुझे उस लड़की से? ऐसा क्या करा था ब्रो? ऐसा क्या करा था उस लड़की ने तेरा? भाई अगर चल तू अगर तू बोलता कि तेरे एक्स के साथ तूने करा है, तो आई वुड हैव अप्रिशिएटेड यू, बट वाओ, डैंग ब्रो, डैंग. एंड आई थिंक ब्रो you should genuinely feel bad about it, क्योंकि at this point you just didn't spread a humor. You started a whole criminal investigation in school, भाई. Bro, like you accidentally became school का FBI, like getting suspended someone over a rumor for a month bro. Imagine उसके घर पे उसे अभी भी उसके ताने पड़ते होंगे तो स्कूल में पैसा चुराया करती थी. सोचो भाई, अगर उसकी मम्मी के 500 रुपए गिर गए जेब से, उसकी मम्मी उस बंदी पे डाउट लेती होगी. हाय प्लीज ये सब मत करा करो ब्रो. एंड अगर रूमर फैला भी रहे हो, 4 लोगों में फैलाओ. मतलब पहले तो फैलाओ ही मत. मैं क्या एडवाइस दे रहा हूँ तुम लोग? नेक्स्ट गो टू अनदर वन. मैं ऐसे एडवाइस तो नहीं देनी चाहिए मेरे को. सो नेक्स्ट इज, मंथ अगो आई मेड अ फेक गर्ल अकाउंट टू कैटफिश माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ओके, वी ऑल हैव डन इट. कम ऑन, at least once in a life made a fake girl account. Catfish का अपने best friend को पता नहीं, but I have tried catfishing one of my friend. I genuinely feel sorry for him, but yeah, मैंने उसको बाद में बता भी दिया था. I didn't got too far, but yeah, let's continue. Started talking to him with a fake girl account, and one random night he texted on my fake account, wanna have some fun tonight. Oh, I see where is this going. I see. I hope you have said no. I hope you have said no and said ki okay maybe and tell him ki it's your fake account. Like okay, I'm scared to read it bro at this point. And I said yes, and he sent me his deep. Oh my god bro, you just saw your best friend's dick bro. Like, nice idea though. So I also send him random Google pics and he asked to be GF. Bro, have you told him about this? Like ये आधी story मत बताया करो. Even if you have told him about that, bro, DM me up. I won't take your name or I won't say it to anyone. Just DM me up. And what was his reaction or something, bro? Tell me, genuinely. And bro, genuinely, reading this is giving me a trust issue now of my every talking stage. I'm scared they are my best friend or what now. Bro, you started as a detective and started a whole full-time relationship. You should just, if I give you advice, so you should just go and gently break up with him at this point and don't ever tell him, and आराम से दोस्ती भी तोड़ ले उससे, please. If you are not creepy guy, if you have done it by mistake और आधी रात में पता नहीं कौन सा माल फूक के तूने करा है, but please. Okay, let's move to next one. In third standard, I farted in class but blamed my bench part. Okay, we all have done. Come on. Once I have done it with one of my cousin. Come on. Who have not done it? You have farted and then you have. Let's just move to next one. So me and my Jiju. Okay. Let me take deep breath first. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's continue. Even if I don't want to. Me and my Jiju was at home and everyone was out for some shopping. I know. I see where this is going. I see. Genuinely, bro. Please don't say it. And after some time, me and my Jiju started making out in kitchen. Like, bro, why did you specify this much? In kitchen. First of all, why would you even do it? Like, why would you even do it only, bro, at the first? Let's just read it. Then we had sex and my Didi don't know about it. Obviously, she don't. And then I thought I'm pregnant. And I tell it to my Jiju and he started denying about it. Honestly, every sister out there, if you have a sister who steal your clothes, who borrow your stuff, just stop saying anything to her, bro. Just stop. Let her borrow your clothes. Let her steal your clothes. Let her borrow your things. Because people be doing this shit. If your sister is stealing your clothes, let her. Stealing your stuff, let her. Stealing your money, let her. People be doing this shit, bro. Like imagine भाई, पति चुरा लिया. पति चुरा, मेरी बहन ने मेरा पति चुरा लिया. I should not laugh, but there is this कविता in Hindi. चोर चोर होता है, हीरा चुराया खीरा. So every sister out there, let your sister steal your khira before she steal your hira. Okay, this sounds so bad. And I'm sorry, I'm just blaming you, but I'm blaming both of you now. Because both of you were included in that and both of you cheated on a crucial crucial dude in your life. Crucial dude? You just cheated on a crucial person on your life and you should be ashamed of that. And even why your Jiju is denying? What asshole guy is that? And what asshole are you, even you? What asshole sister are you, bro? Jiji to hai, bro. I don't even have things to say, bro. Let's just move on to next question. I have kissed my best friends while they were in a relation. Okay, I have kissed my best friend while they were best friends while they were in a relationship. Okay, I'm assuming you have kissed both of them. So you have some best friends. So they were your best friends, they were dating and you have kissed both of them. Bro, you should just leave that group. While they were in a relationship. So you are the one. Oh my god, so both of them have cheated on each other. Bro, never forget, karma can always fuck you in your ass. Let's just move on to next one. 10 साल की उम्र में हमने हमारे भाई को वॉशिंग मशीन में बंद कर दिया. I hope तूने वॉशिंग मशीन चालू ना करी हो. until you have not started the washing machine, you are fine. और machine on कर दी. Of course, a kid, a 10-year-old. Of course, I forget a 10-year-old. ये सोच के कि वो सफ़ेद हो जाएगा. And मेरा भाई की आज तक फटती है मेरे से. How evil are you to put that laughing emoji in end? How evil are you, bro? What audacity you have to put that laughing emoji? तूने अपनी भाई की पूरी लाइफ एक क्राइंग इमोजी बना रखी है. यू नो तेरे भाई का सबसे बड़ा ट्रॉमा होगा गेटिंग इनटू अ लॉन्ड्री स्टोर, क्योंकि द ऑल थिंग ही विल सी इज चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा. ये गोदरेज का चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा, ये एलजी का चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा, ये बॉश का चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा. दिस इज व्हाट ही विल सी. बट अगेन 10-year-old. फिर वही बात है, लाइक तुम बच्चों को आईपैड दे दोगे तो वो रोब्लॉक्स खेल के नर्ड बन जाएगी, और तुम बच्चों को टीवी दोगे तो वो कुछ ना कुछ फालतू से बियर वर्सेस ग्रिल कुछ के भाई सांप से कटवा लेंगे. फिर वही बात है, बच्चे को बाहर भी नहीं जाने दोगे खेलने के लिए बोल के कि दुनिया जालिम है. बच्चा घर में बैठे बैठे करेगा क्या? एंटरटेनमेंट सोर्स उसके लिए क्या है? वॉशिंग मशीन 10 बार दिन में जाके फ्रिज खोल के देखना. 2 चीज़ें बाकी है उन पे, बच्चों पे. कितना ही देर पड़ेगा बच्चा? A 10-year-old mind won't think this much कि हाँ bro, so it's an accident actually, but the way you have put laughing emoji in end, you should be guilty bro, your brother यार. And bro, I'm 100% sure तेरे भाई को एक सफ़ेद स्किन तो नहीं मिली होगी, but उसको एक लाइफ टाइम ट्रॉमा ज़रूर मिल चुका है washing machine में bro. And like, एक second, who told you at age of 10 that washing machine is a skincare routine? Like, who told you that, lil buddy? Like, oh hi, your skin is so clear yaar. What kind of face wash do you use? Actually, you know, I use Godrej ka washing machine. Bro, like that's most manly thing I've ever heard. Using washing machine as a skincare routine. Wow. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Once I scared a random kid in a park by putting on a holy mask, and okay, I think you mean holy mask से you mean the holy में जो पहनते हैं रंग पंचमी, not holy mask. I don't think holy mask. गलत टी शर्ट पहन के आज मैं थोड़ा सा oh my god. And उसको डर डर में चक्कर आ गए and he fell from his cycle and I freaked out and I run away. Oh my god, you shouldn't have run away. Take him to hospital or make him drink some water. And then I get to know he was hospitalized for 2 days after that. I genuinely feel guilty. Yeah, I think you deserve to feel guilty. Like, the second you heard hospitalized, the jokes end there. Like, oh my god, bro, that's actually sad for the kid. Like, yeah, at least you feel guilty, it's good, but the thing you did, you should have been accountable for that, bro. Like, genuinely, like, pranks can feel harmless sometimes, but you get their point when, you know, someone feel really scared, really emotional or something, bro. Pranks were never meant to hurt someone's feeling or hurt someone emotionally, bro. They were made to have fun. People have just forget the meaning of why pranks were started. Like, इसी अप्रैल में, इसी 1st अप्रैल को, one of my online friends, she did this prank on her like boyfriend, her long distance boyfriend, कि मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया एंड आई एम इन कोमा, ऐसे उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड को बोलने को लगाया. उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया एंड शी इज इन कोमा एंड ऑल. Like, this is literally concerning thing to say to someone. Like, imagine what that guy would have felt at that time. And pranks are never meant to, you know, make someone emotionally hurted. They were made to have fun. They were made to be a little funny. Please guys, stop. And I know Diya tu dekh rahi hai ye video, so like kar and don't do things like this again, huh? Okay, so genuinely at this point I was gonna stop this video because it was getting dark, and as a dark skin guy, as a brown skin guy, I would say, my face was not literally visible in the video, so I just thought ki let's just stop it. But there was this one question which I was gonna cut, but I thought let's talk about this. एक बार मैंने मेरी बुआ को कपड़े बदलते हुए देखा था and I still kind of think about it. The whosoever this guy is, I just want to say, bro, this is not even a deepest darkest secret. This is the way you are saying how creepy guy I am. Look how creepy guy I am. Honestly, like, this kind of stuff has made people think about everything as a sexual way. You don't gotta hold a accident as a memory for your whole lifetime. Like, you took, like, it was an accident, and why you made whole like lifetime subscription of it in your memories. Like, bro, genuinely, if I would suggest you something, is just unfollow me. You can just unfollow me at any time. You can even skip this part of the video if you don't wanna be a good human for a better world. You can just skip the last part of this video, or you can stay and listen to me. Like, bro, I genuinely think this generation have made this whole world a worst place when it comes to seeing things by your own. Like, bro, honestly, this kind of stuff says a lot about how kind of person are you, and uh, how you look at the whole world in with a sexual lens on your eyes. Like, uh, not every accidental moment is meant to kept in your memories or something, or you gotta fantasize everything you see in your life. You gotta sexualize everything you see in your eyes. Growing up includes respecting people. Growing up includes having a self control on yourself. Growing up includes, you know, not seeing things not seeing things always with a sexual lens, and reminding yourself always about it. People have made their mind like, oh my god, every normal thing they have converted into a dirty thing. This generation is that bad. Attraction is a one thing, and attraction can be kept in your memories. It can get hold in your memories, but an accident with someone you should respect should be not. So if you genuinely want to be a good human being in this better world, so please genuinely stop thinking things like this. And the all I will say is, bro, take it as a advice instead of thinking, oh, why this guy is getting rude on me, why only asked if you wanted to give gyan and all. So yeah, if you think like that, bro, you can skip, you can unfollow me. And if you genuinely want to take the advice, I hope you take the advice. And yeah, this is it for this video, guys. And everyone who watched till end, thanks for watching. And yeah, if you like the video, you can like, you can comment, and you can follow me on my socials.